known as SNTP. But nowadays we use STP. NTP, normal temperature and pressure. Okay? But this term was replaced by STP. But some book or some questions you may find the term NTP, then you should use it as STP. Okay? STP, standard temperature and pressure. What is STP? Temperature is 273 Kelvin. Although precisely it is 273.15. But for simplicity of calculation, we are means everyone using 273 Kelvin. That will be equal to 0 degree centigrade. And pressure is 1 atm. 1 atm, 1 atmosphere. 1 atmosphere equal to 1.013 bar. 1.013 bar. It is equal to 76 centimeter of mercury. It is also equal to 760 mm of mercury. It is also equal to 760 torr. It is also equal to 1.013 into 10 power 5 Pascal. We have various units of pressure. In ancient days, we are using this 76 cm of Hg, or 76 is equal to 760 mm or 760 torr. Torricelli is the man who invented barometer. So in his honor, we are using 76 torr as a unit of pressure. But nowadays, in SI system, this is the latest unit, bar. Before bar, we were using Pascal, and before that, we were using atmosphere. So in some books, you may find pressure in terms of atmosphere. Normal means normal atmosphere pressure, or Pascal, or bar, or cm of Hg, mm of Hg, or torr. All are used at present, so you must learn it. This is the standard temperature and pressure. So at this temperature and pressure only, not at all temperature. This standard temperature and pressure, volume of 1 mole of every gas will be 22.4 liter. Any doubt? Any doubt? Please ask question if you have any. Any question?
So what is vapor density?
Yes. We shall come to there after finishing this. Any problem here? No problem. You are knowing mole. Mole means molecular mass in gram. I will just write here this, but we will explain in the next class when we shall study mole concept as a separate topic. At present, I am writing that molar mass is molecular mass in gram. For example, 1 mole CO2 is 44 gram. 1 mole ammonia is 17 gram. 1 mole O2 is 32 gram. You recall molecular mass and say it in gram. You recall molecular mass and say it in gram. That is 1 mole. This is 1 mole. So 1 mole of every gas. You take 44 grams CO2, its volume will be 22.4. You take 17 gram ammonia, its volume will be 22.4. You will take 32 gram oxygen, its volume will be 22.4. Okay? Any question? No question. Then come to your query. What is vapor density? What is vapor density? Vapor density is mass of V volume of a gas at any T divided by mass of V volume of hydrogen gas at same T. किसी भी गैस का किसी टेम्परेचर पर भी वॉल्यूम का मास और उसी टेम्परेचर प्रेशर पर उसी वॉल्यूम हाइड्रोजन का मास का रेशियो है वेपर डेंसिटी। वेपर डेंसिटी इज द रेशियो ऑफ masses of a gas and hydrogen at same temperature, pressure and volume. सेम टेम्परेचर है, सेम प्रेशर है, सेम वॉल्यूम है, तो दो गैस के मास का जो रेशियो होगा वही होगा वेपर डेंसिटी। ठीक है, या ऐसे कहो डेंसिटी ऑफ गैस विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू हाइड्रोजन। डेंसिटी ऑफ गैस विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू हाइड्रोजन, इट इज डेंसिटी ऑफ ए गैस विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू हाइड्रोजन। So when you say vapor density of CO2 is 22, it means density of CO2 is 22 times higher than that of hydrogen. Clear now? Vapor density means density of gas with respect to density of hydrogen. वेपर डेंसिटी बताता है कि वह गैस हाइड्रोजन के डेंसिटी से कितना गुना ज्यादा डेंसिटी है गैस का। एनी मोर क्वेश्चन? एनी मोर क्वेश्चन?
No, sir, it's clear now.
Oh, but I think that you are not solving numerical problems. You should.
Sir,
You means all. If you will solve problem, I hope you may have some confusion, some problems. That should be brought to the class. I repeatedly say that make the class interactive. क्लास को इंटरेक्टिव बनाइए, घर में पढ़िए और वहां से क्वेश्चन लाइए, डाउट्स लाइए और इसको इस क्लास में क्लियर कीजिए। देन यू विल बी बेनिफिटेड मोर। अनलेस बहुत बातें ऐसी हैं जो आप बुक पढ़ के समझ भी सकते हैं, लेकिन हम
ठीक करिए सर।
हाँ हाँ, देखता हूँ। आई विल सी, आई एम ट्राइंग। बच्चों ने कहा कि वेबएक्स का अच्छा आता है, इसलिए हमने वेबएक्स कर लिया आज। तो देखते हैं फिर क्या प्रॉब्लम है। हेलो श्रेया।
yes, sir. Actually, Webex is more safer than Zoom, sir.
No, safety is not a problem. Safety is not a problem. That is a propaganda.
But, sir, your YouTube video is more clear
Yeah,
I can say.
I will see. I will see what
Yes, sir. She's right, sir.
how to make it better.
Yes, sir.
I'm trying for that. Any question, Freya?
No, sir. My doubts are clear, sir. If any, I will ask.
Okay. Gyan Ujjwal. Gyan Ujjwal. Any problem?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have a problem.
Yeah. Gyan nahi Laksh, no?
Sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
Sir, page number 14 of NTC book. Yes, sir. Page number 14 of NT.
Sound is not clear.